I'm Teacher Jayla. Today we are going to do the Oreo brownie cake. Okay. So now we need something like the milk. You can choose the original one, original flavor milk, or the chocolate one will be fine. Okay. But today I'm going to use the normal one, normal milk. Good. Then really important one is the Oreo. We got two kind of Oreo, but I think the less sugarless one is much better and much healthy to us. And a spoon and a bowl which is suitable for the steam cooker. Okay. And really important one is our steam cooker. Good. The first step, that's our Oreo, right? So we need to remove the filling to the other bowl. I will take out the filling and the Oreo biscuit. I will drop in the zip bag, the plastic bag. Here. And also this one. Take it out. Remove the filling. And the biscuit, put in the bag. Now here is the filling. Okay. Then we need to crush the biscuit until it looks like a powdered one. I will show you. You can use anything and crush it. Roll it. Make sure you need to make, if your biscuit look like this one, it's not okay. You need to crush it until look like the powder. Okay, I will show you what's mean powder. That's one meaning powder. Okay, good. So we need another cup of 145 milliliters milk. And pouring in and mix it together. Okay, and the Oreo filling. Also put it in. We need to mix everything together until it looks really smooth, okay? Just give me a second. You need to make sure. Like this one. So maybe you can do it much better than mine if you got the time. Okay, make sure. Okay, it looks really smooth now. Then that's our steam cooker. We also need 2 cups of the water, the paper cup of water, and pour in the water in. And 2nd cup of the paper cups water put in. Then our Oreo brownie cake just put in. And here, that's done. After 30 minutes, around 30 minutes, the cake will be really good and done with the cake. Then you need to take it out and rest it on an hour until the cake's a little bit cooler. Then you can put it into the fridge. Tomorrow you will taste a really nice one. So that's my work for the brownie cake. It will look like my one. It's a really yummy one. Looks nice, right? That's for today's brownie cake. Thank you. Bye bye.